So here is Wilson 21. Here is a sailor lady clipless wing fountain pen with a gold chain with a beautiful lever filler. So this is a Swiss scope with a beautiful 1.5-inch long thread section. This is a beautiful success by VideoEditor copy of M200. This is Wilson Cornet. So this is platinum fountain pen, and this is a Civica fountain pen with a see-through plunger type fountain pen.